Why do some colors look different? You ever notice how that shirt that looked bright red in the store somehow looks like a sad shade of tomato soup in your bathroom mirror?
Ace.
Or how your friend swears your walls are beige but you call them cream, and another person insists they're eggshell? At this point, you might be ready to throw the walls out the window, but don't. Let's talk about why colors mess with us. Welcome back to Think Bits, where we explain stuff you didn't ask about, but now you're stuck here, so deal with it. Here's the deal. Color isn't even real. Yeah, I said it. There's no such thing as red floating around in the universe. What actually exists are light waves, bouncing off stuff. The sun shoots out light in a bunch of different wavelengths. And when that light hits an object, some of those wavelengths get absorbed and others bounce back. The ones that bounce back are what our eyes pick up, and our brains go, oh yeah, that's totally blue. So technically, we're just staring at rejected light. Every color you love is literally just leftovers. But here's where it gets weird. Not everyone sees colors the same way. First off, our eyes have these tiny things called cones. Not the ice cream kind, unfortunately. These cones detect different ranges of light, short, medium, and long wavelengths. Basically blue, green, and red detectors. Mix and match those signals, and boom, you get the rainbow. But not everyone's cones are identical. Some people have more sensitive cones, some have less. And some are missing cones entirely, which leads to color blindness. So when you tell your buddy grab the green wire and he looks confused, he might not be dumb, as cones are just playing a different game. Then there's lighting. Ever notice how a dress looks completely different outside in daylight versus inside under that weird yellow bulb your landlord swears is energy efficient? That's because the light source changes what wavelengths bounce back. Sunlight is basically a color buffet. It's got all the wavelengths in there. But indoor bulbs? Nah, they pick favorites. Some lights throw out more yellow, some more blue, which means your red shirt can look like it belongs in a completely different clothing aisle, depending on where you're standing. And don't even get me started on our brains. The human brain is a master at lying to you, constantly adjusting what you see to make sense of it. Take that viral dress debate a few years ago. Half the world saw white and gold, the other half saw blue and black, and friendships were destroyed. That whole mess happened because our brains were guessing what kind of light was hitting the dress, and then correcting the color based on that guess. The problem? Not everyone's brain made the same correction. So technically everyone was right and everyone was wrong, which is basically life in general. Cultural stuff plays in too. Different languages literally affect how people describe and even perceive colors. Some cultures don't have separate words for blue and green, they just lump it together as one. Imagine calling grass and the sky the same color and being totally cool with it. Meanwhile, in English, we invent names like aquamarine and taupe, just to sound fancy while shopping for curtains. And here's another kicker. Your mood affects how you see colors. Tired, stressed. That's right, your feelings are out here sabotaging your eyeballs. So next time you argue with someone about whether a car is navy or just dark blue, maybe ask them how their day's going first. So yeah, colors look different because light is complicated. Eyes are inconsistent, brains are sneaky, and humans just love arguing over nonsense. The next time you see your shirt looking totally off, just remember, it's not the shirt's fault. It's literally the universe trolling you. Anyway, that's it. Mystery solved. You can go back to your life now, hopefully with slightly less confusion about why your Instagram photos never match the real thing. No. And if you're thinking about blaming your camera, don't worry, it's also lying to you, because that's what technology does best. This was Think Bits. Don't trust your eyes, don't trust your brain, and definitely don't trust that lamp in your living room. See you next time.